Right, I'm going to show you how to put the tape on the shoe. Just mask it off really, so you can apply the shoe goo, the All-Star gum. Get a close up of that baby. Electric tape's good. Masking tape works well as well. See what I've done there? Get a knife, scissors, anything sharp. Try and get it nice so it stays in place. Applying the shoe goo. Step whatever. This is an old tube. Probably rinse this. Just get it on there. Big toothpaste gob of it. Lovely. Next step. You're supposed to use soap and water or something, but we're ghetto, so I lick my finger. It's not toxic. It's not like this stuff. That'll make your balls turn blue. Read the warning labels. Just smooth it out a bit. Lick your finger. You might want a rag. Rag. Yeah, that'll do. Right, end result. You want something looking a little bit like that. Doesn't matter if it overlaps. Peel it off in a bit. It'll be right. Ideally you want to wait an hour or something to let it harden a little bit, but I'm just going to peel it off now, see what happens. That's actually worked quite well. Bang on. Yeah! There you go. Let that dry. Fresh Supra!